Parrot! Can I pet you? Hi! Yeah, sure. Hey!
Hi!
Hi! Hey! You know me.
Hiya!
See, my name Brayden. Yeah. You want some bird food? You want some bird food?
Hiya!
Yes? Here. Sure. What do you want to play? Yeah, sure. Yeah. Hi. Hey, buddy. You're so cute. Oh, you got it. Are you the parrot next to me? Are you the parrot next to me? Hey. Hey, you want some bird food? Oh no, cat food? Here, 1 second. I'll be right back. 1 second. I'm coming right back. Don't worry. I'm right here. Don't worry, I'm back. Here. Here, buddy. Look at that. Food. Want the food? Say hi to the camera. It's a parrot. Nice feathers. Nice feathers you got there. Nice feathers. Hey, buddy. Look at when I go far, he'll start calling my name. Huh? Or not. Hi. Nice. Guys, go. No. No, go. Go. Sorry. You have to go. Hi, parrot. Are you going to your owner? I'm showing mommy. Oh my god, I'm so Iggy loves it. Yeah. Yeah, parrot? Yeah? What do you like? What food do you like? I don't know. It's just that silence that he's thinking. Hey, he's on our patio. You parrot, I'll be 1 minute, okay? Parrot, I'll be 1 minute, okay? 1 sec. Okay, the reason why I paused it just for a little bit because I just knocked on the neighbor's door to get parrot to go back home, so that's why. Because I didn't want the parrot staying because it would have been too loud and stuff, you know. So that's the story where the parrot came.